Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna see how we can create a fully functional portfolio website like Ali Abdal, as you can see on my screen, with the help of AI in just 5 to 10 minutes. So here we'll be using different free AI tools, and we will create our own portfolio website which will be absolutely functional and mobile responsive as well. So if you're new here, I'm Sakib and I help businesses grow and thrive online with web design and marketing services. So without the further ado, let's get started. So at first, the website we'll use in this video to get a portfolio website like Ali Abdal, like this one. So we'll be using a free tool from Google, which is Stitch. So Stitch is basically a UI generation tool by which we will give a simple prompt and we will generate the user interface of our website. So it's basically like the Framer or Adobe XD if you are familiar with. And here we design the UI of our website, and later on we'll convert the design into a functional website. So at first, what will you do? You just have to go to this URL stitch.google with google.com, and you'll get an interface like this one. Here you'll get a box to give your prompt. So here I have given a prompt like design the same landing page like aliabdal.com. So I have given this prompt and it's generated the color palette. Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, so here's the color palette of our website, and as you can see, it's fully functional. We can select each and every color of here, and we have also get the font here. We have get the button design, the icons, and everything which we needed to generate our website. And here it also generated the user interface or the landing page interface of our website. So as you can see here, we have the fully functional user interface here. So after getting the UI of your website, what we'll have to do, we'll go to the another tools by Google, which is Google AI Studio. So after generating your landing page, here you'll get an option on the Google Stitch website of export, and here you have to select the landing page that you want to export. So by selecting the page, you'll get the options like AI Studio, which is the first option, and it will automatically redirect you to this website from Google, which is Google AI Studio. So here it will give the reference image and the prompt automatically. You don't have to do anything here, and it will do everything autonomously. So we'll just simply click on build with AI Studio, and it will take some time to generate the fully functional website for you. So here we can see the website which we have built. It's kind of similar like Ali Abdal. It's not fully copied the Ali Abdal website because of the copyright issue and some other issues as well. So it will give very similar user interface like Ali Abdal. But if you want the fully copied or the clone version of Ali Abdal, then comment down below and I will make another video how you can clone or copy any website from the internet. And if you want another video to deploy the website on the internet so that anyone can visit the website, I'll also make a video. So you just have to click the like button and comment down below so that I can make another video on this particular topic. So here you can see our fully functional website, and from here on the device option you can select the different device ratio, and you can see the mobile responsiveness as well. So this website is fully functional with hover effect as well. So as you can see here, the image have some hover effect, the button have some hover effect as well. This card box have hover effect, image have hover effect, and everything is clickable and everything is fully functional. So by this way, you can generate your portfolio website, your business website, website for your clients as well. On more interesting topic, if you want a video on how you can generate money by creating a website, you can also comment down below and I will try to make another video on this particular topic. So that's all from this video. See you in the next video.